Hello guys, good morning. Currently it is ticking 10:45 a.m. Today is Sunday and it's a sunny day. I came to a ride. This kind of road I don't ride too much, but I will ride in this Scarby road today. And here is my brother. Let's start the engine. Actually I didn't have any plan where to go, but I came so far that I thought I should make a observational video today. Okay, so this place currently is called Gamaria, which is a little bit far from RK Nagar. Okay, you might be saying ki, what the hell is he is talking about? Where is this RK Nagar? So just forget. Let's engage the fast gear, then let's go. The place of some offbeat destination these days in my town. There is also some curvy roads exist, but I didn't cover those kind of places, but I should have covered it before. There is a scratch in my visor, which is a bit problematic for my vision, I guess. I don't know how I am talking in English. Let's give it a go, yeah. Actually, nowadays I don't care whether I speak good English or bad English. People will laugh at me or people will appreciate me. These days I don't give a damn about the other people's opinion. I have to make videos, and that's why I make. So roads are a bit good nowadays in village. Watch out the domestic animal, goat and cows. They are very dangerous. As I have learned the engine braking now, my life became so much easier because of engine braking. It's super helpful, man. In every video I appreciate the advantage of engine braking because it's worth it. See, there is a pond there. I think it's a fishery. It's a big fishery there. Actually I don't usually make videos in this road because it's very far away from my house. So yesterday I did some coding session. Also my app will be hitting, one of my app that I published for the client will be hitting 10K tomorrow, I guess. So I have to make some adjustment and push some update in production of Google Play. So hopefully by the EOD, end of day, at night I will push an update. Now I'll go to home and have some lunch. Not lunch, yeah, breakfast, lunch, yeah. I'll have lunch and then I'll do some code labs, make some adjustment on the app of my client, and then I will head over. Then the day will be finished. There are so much of hotels I have passed by, but I don't feel like have something like a samosa and this kind of light refreshment. But it's better to be in starving than to fill your tummy or belly with some crash oily food. That's why I don't even eat in restaurant. I don't like the food of restaurant and kind of thing. Yes, you can get good photos there, but yes, kabhi once in a month you can have a meal in restaurant. But I don't feel like having some food in a restaurant. I prefer to be a pure food, dal bhat, roti sabji. I love to live a simple life. I eat simple food. So it's a personal choice of everyone. Once I went through this road by. This road had to go to a place where it's called, there is a very beautiful place there. It's called, I can't remember. Here you can see the Shonbil. See? So there is a place called Aul Aliya या फिर ऐसा कुछ नाम है उसका. So it's like a mini Zuko Valley of Karimganj, you can say that. Zuko Valley, which is in Nagaland, the landscape is very beautiful there. So similar to Zuko Valley, there is a place exists in the Sivumi district of Assam near Shonbil. It's a very beautiful place. So you can have some party or we can do picnic there. Road is super fine these days. Here is a speed breaker. दिल ना दिया तो बोलो ना बोलो का किया आके दुनिया में भी अगर प्यार ना किया तो क्या किया ले बेटा आके दुनिया. I am thinking of installing a Bluetooth speaker intercom. I am planning to install an intercom in my helmet for hearing music while I ride, because I feel boring, man. Sometimes I feel boring कि cruising मारते जा रहा हूँ. So cruising के टाइम पे ना अगर म्यूजिक हो तो सिद्धू मूसेवाला भाई का, धंधा नेवलियाला का, किशोर कुमार का और या फिर 90s का अगर सॉन्ग अगर सुनने का मिल जाए ना तो बढ़िया मज़ा आ सकता है. और एक चीज़ भाई, अगर इंटरकम लगाओ भी ना भाई, हेलमेट का वेट ऐसे भी बढ़ जाएगा, है ना. गोप्रो लगा कर एक्सो का जो हेलमेट है इसमें तो ये तो ऐसे ही भारी है. एंड इफ आई इंस्टॉल इंटरकॉम एंड देयर इज ऑलरेडी गोप्रो इंस्टॉल्ड टू इट, इट वुड बी वेरी मच हेवी. द वेट विल बी वेरी हेवी. सो देखता हूँ भाई क्या करता हूँ. लेट्स सी इफ आई डू इट. हम अगर लगा देता हूँ ना भाई तो आई कैन एडजस्ट. सो इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. अगर यहाँ से सीधा जाऊँ ना तो भाई सोनबिल जा सकते हो आप. तो सोनबिल तो जाऊँगा नहीं बिकॉज ऑलरेडी डन सोनबिल मल्टीपल टाइम. इस रोड से जाओ ना तो सोनबिल जा सकते हो आप. अभी सोनबिल में कुछ नहीं है तो लेट्स हेड टू आवर होम. So here is another market. I have to slow down my bike. There's a KTM RC